In this video I'll make a more detailed review about this Hungary Euro 24 jersey, and I start with the front of the jersey. Here is the Hungarian badge, pretty well embroidered as you can see, and also the Adidas logo on the middle of the jersey, and the national team jerseys also have this number on the chest in the front, and of course the Hungarian Football Association logo. And this is the color of the jersey. This is a fan version jersey, so no player version, but still the quality, as you can see, is really high, and everything is like on the original jersey. This UEFA Foundation badge, which comes with the other badge, with this Euro 24 badge. This is also really a soft material, really high quality. I really liked it. This is this black stripe from a bit of different material, as you can see, but the jersey also has a very good material, not like a player version jersey like with those little holes and everything, but still very good to wear. But yeah, this is mostly for fans. But now let's go to the back of the jersey. Here it is. Here's a little problem, because that SR, so from Senior, should have been separately, and even though I customized it correctly, they made a mistake. But I'll tell you at the end of the video how that went further, because I contacted them. This is this little Hungarian inscription on the back of the neck of the jersey, so every little detail. And yeah, here it is. This should have been separately, but still at least is with the original font and original font number, as you can see, with these little holes, everything like the original jersey. It's really nice that you can customize with this font. That's the best thing about this website, really. Like, you don't have to customize with any local printer or anything. It's also relatively cheap, so only $4 to customize a jersey. I'll show you one more time the details, so here they are. And also I will show you how cheap I got this jersey. So first of all, you should join the Facebook group. There are these competitions where I also guessed the score, and I got $15, which then I used for my order, and I only paid $6 in total for my order. But because there was this customization error, I also got this money back. And if you also want to get some coupons, don't forget to create an account with my invitation link or code, and you will already save $5 on your first order. Thanks, goodbye, see you in the next one.